Good morning, class. How are you? Let's study maths. In yesterday class, we started unit 3, that is Roman numbers, and in the starting of chapter, I told you that there are few symbols that are in our Hindu Arabic numerals like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. With the help of these symbols or these digits, we can create any number. And in Roman numeration, there is only 7 symbols: I, V, X, L, C, D and M. Only these are in our Roman numbers. And here in your book a difference is given in Roman numeral and Hindu Arabic numeral. What are the meaning of this in Hindu Arabic numerals? Also, we study about few rules that are given in your book, like in Roman numbers we can repeat I, X, C and M but up to 3 times. But symbols like V, L, D cannot repeat. We can use them only one time. For example, you can see here some examples are given in your book on page number 24. So you can see these examples that here 3 times this symbol can be repeating, but here it will not repeat like this. These will not repeat like this. Here only 3 times it can repeat, but these cannot repeat. Okay, so let's move to page number 26, and before starting that page number, let's discuss yesterday class homework that was given to you. Write in Roman numerals and Hindu Arabic numerals. I hope you all have done your work. I have shared a chart with you that was helpful for you in doing this. Let's start from 5. We write V 5. To 12 we will write 10. X means 10 and 1 means 2. 10 plus 2 is equals to 12. In 18 we write 10 plus 8. So X means 10 and 8 means V1. Okay. For 30 we can use X 3 times, but more than that we cannot use X. Like 40 has XL, but we cannot write X to 40. If we want to write 40, it will become L means 50 and 10. 10 less than 50 is equals to 40. So we will write 40 like this. We cannot write 40 like this. Okay, so because it is not according to rule of Roman numbers. This will be totally wrong and that will be right. Okay, now 49. I told you this is XL means 40, and what is 9? IX is 9. Yani 1 less than 10. To 50 we directly write L. To 62 we will write LX means L means 50, X means 10, 60, 62. Okay, in such manner we will do all the questions. Okay, now move to Hindu Arabic numerals. How do we write that? See, X means 10, 10, 20, V means 5, means 25. I will also write it down here for, just keep in mind what is the meaning of that. We write I for 1, V for 5, X for 10, L for 50 and C for 100. We are going to study up to this number. Okay, and when you move to further classes you will study more than that, but in this chapter we only need these numbers. So for your easiness I will explain this to you. See, L, X, 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 V, 1, 1. So L means 50, X means 10, X means 10, X means 10, 5, 6, 7, 8. It means 80. If we add them, it means 80. And what is this? 5. And these are 1, 1, 1, 1. So if we add all of them, it will become 85. 80 plus 5, 85 plus 2, 7. It will become 87. This is how we have to solve this. Also, see this. X means 10, I means 1, V means 5. Now see here, a difference is given. This 5 is larger than this. So here we will use minus. Okay, so it is understandable that 1 less than 5 will be 4. So 10 plus 4 is equals to 14. Okay, we have to see if this digit is larger or smaller. If here the digit here before a bigger number is smaller, just like L means 50, and before that number something is smaller, then we will definitely minus it. But we do not have to write it like this. This is for understanding. It means 40. This means 10. Now I comes before X, yani this is smaller than that, yani 1 less than 10. It will become 9. So 40 plus 9, it will become 49. This is our answer. I hope you got it very well. Now let's start doing according to your book. So take out your page number 26 in your book. From here I am going to take few examples, just like I will explain write in Roman numbers. I will explain question number 5th, that is 29, question number 10, 55, question number 14, 90, and question number 15, 99 to you. See how we will do that question. We know 10 plus 10 is equals to 20. So, and we can repeat X or our given symbols I, X, C, M at least 3 times. I, X, C, M, we can use it only 3 times repeat. This is our rule. And to the remaining V, L, D, we cannot repeat them. So according this we have to work. So I can repeat this 3 times. So I will take X. 10 means 10 and 10. 20. Okay. 29 is 1 less than 30. So there is also 10. But I want 9 here. So I will write I here. It means 1 less than 10 is equals to 9. 10, 10, 20 plus 9, 29. So my answer is X, X, 1, X. This is my answer. This is how I will write 29 in Roman numbers. You have to write directly this. This is for make you understand only. Okay. Now let's move to 55. We have we cannot write 50 as 1, 2, 3. We can repeat it up to 3, but if I do 2 more times, it will be totally wrong. It is given in our Roman numbers that we can directly write L is equals to 50. So I will write here. This means 50. Now I want 5 more. 50 plus 5 is equals to 55. So LV is equals to 55. Okay. This will be my answer. Now what in case of 90? See, C means 100, X means 10. So if I write 10 less than 100, it will automatically become 90, है ना. So I can write it XC, यानी कि 10 less than 10 less from 100. So I will write here 100 and 10 less from 100. It will become 90. Now how I will write 99? See, this is automatically given here. XC 90, and how do we write 9? This is 10 and 1 less than 10 is 9. This is 90 and this is 9. It will become 99. This is how we have to do all such kind of question. One question also I will make you understand, this question number 13. '88. See, we cannot write x and all that. We will write 50, 60, 70, 80. Up to 3 times we can repeat our x. It is our rule that we can repeat all these up to 3 times. So 50, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 50, 60, 70, 80, 80. Now I want 88 more. I want 8 more. So how I will write 8? 5, 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8. 85 plus 1, 86, 87 and 88. So this will be my answer. I hope you understand now the concept of doing this question. Now let's move to express in Hindu Arabic numerals. How can we do this question? So I am going to write here few questions from your book, just like question number 3, which is XX11. Question number 5, XXXV111. Question number 7, XLV11. Question number 10, XC1V. 11 and 12. These are so important. Now let's start writing in Hindu Arabic. We have to write them in Hindu Arabic. So what is the meaning of that x? 10, 10, 10 plus 10, 20, 10 plus 10, 20, 21, 22. My answer will be 22. Very easy. X means 10, x means 10, 10, 10, 20, 21 and 22. Okay. Now let's move to another question. X, 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 V, I. X means 10, X means 10, X means 10. V means 5, this means 1, 1 and 1. 10 plus 10 plus 10, 1, 2, 3, 30. 30 plus 5, 35. 35 plus 1, 36. 37 and 38. My answer will be 38. Very easy to do. Now let's move to another question. X, L, V, I. X means 10, L means 50. Now see this. Just focus here. Here x means 10 is smaller than 50. So we have to reduce 10 from this 50 and up to this my answer will be 40. So I will take 40 here. Okay. 10 less than 50 is 40. Now V means 5. This means 1 and this means 1. 40 plus 5, 45. 46, 47. My answer will be 47. Okay. Now move to question number 10. X means 10, C means 100. Now we will do this question again with the same concept. So 10 less than 100. 10 less than 100 will be 90. Now this 1, this 5. So 90 plus 1, 91. 91 plus 5, how much? See, there is also one difference given here. V is greater than I. So we are going to reduce 1 from this 5. But it will become 4. Okay, I will do this question here for you. X, C, I, V. This X means 10. This is 100. This is greater than this. So what I will do? We will decrease it from here. So 10 less than 100 will be 90. So my XC means 90. This means 90. Now this is I means 1. V means 5. So again 5 is greater than 1. So I have to reduce 1 from this 5. So 1 less than 5 is 4. So my answer is 4 here. Now what I will do? I will add them. 90 plus 4, my answer will be 94. So 94 will be my answer. Okay. Next one is C, X, I. C means 100, X means 10, I means 1. Now the the symbol given here is greater than this, so we just add them. We need not to subtract. 100 plus 10, 110. 110 plus 1, 111. 111. That's it. Okay. Now my next question is 12. CLV11. C means 100, L means 50, V means 5, and this means 1 and this means 1. So 100 plus 50, 150. 150 plus 5, 155. 155 plus 1, 156. 156 plus 1, 157. So my answer will be 157. This is how we will do questions in Hindu Arabic. You have to do this homework. You have to fill up question number 1 and 2 in your book with yourself. I am not going to share any kind of PDF with you. I will just share the PDF in next class just to match if you have done right or wrong. Okay. Till then, start doing this, and I have already give you the dates for your test. So revise your chapter 1 and 2 for test, and in computer I will soon give you dates for your exam. So be prepared for your test. Any day I will share you all the dates for your exam. So be prepared and revise this chapter. This is very easy to understand. Okay, if you have any queries, you can ask me. Till then, take care and study. And also, before starting this chapter, you have to write down the 10 symbols of Hindu Arabic and 7 letters of Roman numbers. After that, you have to make this chart in your copies, this complete chart, which is given up to M, that is 1000. So I will check your copies, and I have not received all the copies from your class. So send me the PDF of your copies of maths and computer as soon as possible. Your writing should be neat and clean. There I will check, and there will be no use of whitener or fluid in your copy. Just do all the work neat and clean. If you have a bad writing, then you should first write in rough copy, and after that do it fair, for avoiding such kind of mistakes. Okay. In next class, we will definitely study about the addition principle, the subtraction principles, and those symbols which cannot be subtracted. In your next class, we will do question number 3. Take the correct answer, comparisons, and how to add and subtract in Roman numbers. Till then, do this question number 1 and 2 with yourself. And if you have any kind of problem, you can take my help, or you can use that chart which I have given to you in last lecture. Okay, take care and bye.